We've got the Team Euro 3004 base station, and as I've said before, if we get enough of that in the camera, this isn't a Cybernet 134 base station like the Harrier or the York 869 or the Midland 76900, and it's not a Unidem base station like the Uniace 300 or the Audioline 345. So it should be competent, but it's got a Roger bleep on it. We'll do that at the top of the hill. Look at how to change channel it's done with the up down buttons. So mega chippy channel. Let's put the night lights on. The meter doesn't have its own meter lamp. Up down mic, factory original mic. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger.
You're going to put your speaker in and all that?
Yeah, Roger, just finding somewhere to plug it. Tango 21 ready.
Roger that. Off we go.
Roger diddly Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger, and on this radio I've got a tone control.
Oh, roger that, right. So we're off up the lane towards the end of it.
Muffled? Not muffled. Muffled? Not muffled.
We'll be passing what will be at some point, we never know, doggy daycare.
Roger Dodger, all done.
Roger that.
What's he going to say when I press the Roger bleep at the top of the hill?
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station 137.9 and 146.9.
Roger Dodger. Nice power price from there for a change.
Roger that. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Is that some form of Roger bleep there? It's a very short one. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm
I'm on a Team Euro 3004 UK base station from about 1983. No, would be as late as 1993. I'll have to look at when they were for sale. He's doing 3.4 watts and I'm on the factory original mic, over.
Yep, roger that. Well, it's all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
It's like they're building a new building at the wedding venue, placey farm thing.
Yes, get married, have your stuff for 10 grand, I think the deal is.
Roger that. Was the steel frame gone up for quite a large building? It might be on the farm side.
Yeah, and then when the thing's gone over, it'll get turned into something else.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Are you getting SSB interference?
I'm getting some interference. I can't really tell whether it's SSB or not.
Steve, can we go down the channel?
Yep, roger, will do. Are you there?
So, can you go down another one to 29?
Roger.
Which one do you want?
Yep, see you.
That's better.
Passing the Kelby turn.
What's that? You're at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Was on that, but at the 5 mile point. So I am on this Team Euro 3004 UK, and it's on its own power supply, which I've done the capacitors in, and it's doing 3.4 watts. Now it doesn't have low power as you'd expect, and what it does have is variable power, and at lowest level it's at 550 milliwatts. I'll just check with my job sheet. It's 650 milliwatts on the lowest power setting. So I don't know how they got away with it, but here you go. I'll switch to that right now. 54321, there we are, 650 milliwatts. Over.
Yep, roger that. Well, no problem on full power and no problem on low power.
You would have gone back to full power, and I'll see you when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. Well, that worked very well. Thanks so much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol prize for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. Well, that worked very well. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. That surprised me because I think that's the best looking one of those I've seen. Yeah, 3.4 watts. It was 3.5 when it was cold. Received 0.48 microvolts for 12 decibel SINAD. And if you looked at the repair video, it's one of those with the multi-crystal mixer, so you've got separate transmit and receive frequency adjustments. So you've got to use a marker oscillator to get the receive on. So a lot of the time these are going to be off frequency. If they're not off frequency on transmit, they're going to be off frequency on receive, and the two aren't tied together, which can be confusing for people not familiar with that kind of arrangement. But similar to the DNTs. So I'll go over to our Midland base station. We'll see what it sounds like on that factory original mic.
Tango 21, testing the Team Euro 3004 base station into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will pop it onto low power.